To all Dhamma brothers and sisters, to whomever it may concern, today I am requesting all of you to please, humbly requesting to bear with me. In my life, I have always had a wish to do 3 major pujas. Puja offering and practice amongst everyone. The 3 pujas, the significance is that, as you know, in Buddhism, 3 has the significance of the 3 jewels, the Buddha, the Dharma, the Sangha. Also the 3 represents discipline, compassion, and dedication. 3 also represents Sambhogakaya, Nirmanakaya, and Dharmakaya. 3 also represents wisdom, impermanence, and bodhicitta. So much significance there is, and based on that foundation, I wish to do 3 pujas, and this is a promise I made to my late father, Jabjitsiki Chonro Rinpoche, and I asked him to please be with me during those pujas. I know in my previous life, predecessor, he did many, but I wish to do 3. I did one, the successful one was in Nepal, in Mahavihara. There is a temple of Guru Rinpoche. The first time when Guru Rinpoche was in Nepal and he gave Vajrayana teachings. Many of you may have seen it in my Facebook page. And now second one I'm planning to do is end of this year. I've been thinking about it for many time, and in this year is confirmed. The puja will be around 10 days. It will be conducted in Bali in one very special place called Pura Pegulingan. Pura Pegulingan significant is the only standing Vajrayana Buddhist traditional stupa. It is, I think, more older, if I'm not mistaken, more older than Borobudur. You can all look it up in the internet. And it is what the Balinese people call it Shiva Buddha. For them, in Bali, the word for Vajrayana or Tantrayana, they call it Shiva. They associate with Shiva. It is understandable. But for us, it's Tantra or Vajrayana. Pura Pegulingan, the stupa style is even very Tibetan, very Vajrayana style. It's a very special place and very wonderful place, I must say. I visited there many times. I made good connection with the locals and also with the temple and stupa owner. He is a wonderful Balinese Hindu priest, Hindu Pandita, wonderful person. And I requested him, can we conduct the puja? He said, yes, of course. But he said, please make sure that if he can do his traditional Balinese Hindu pujas together, so that, government and Balinese government, all of that will allow. And I said, yes, of course, So we are going to do this puja this year. It will start from December 27 till December 27 till January next year, January 6th. I invite all of you to participate. The pujas will be Namjalma, Ushinsha Vijaya Puja, Buddha Shakyamuni Shower of Blessing Puja, Vajra Yogini Puja, and also Vajra Kilaya, Guru Rinpoche offering, Mahandeva, Fire Puja, and Kal Bhairava Puja, Mahakala Puja, and King Kesar Sang offering, and Naga Puja also. And the lamas would be invited from Kanying Shirubling Monastery, senior lamas who were under the guidance of Drugu Ujir Rinpoche, my grandfather, and my father, late father, Zeki Chono Rinpoche. And whoever wants to come can come. Same time with that, I'm offering food. Food will be offered, breakfast and lunch, also dinner. Talk offering, of course. You will have plenty places to stay because it's a very large area. I also have one more request, and I hope people will understand this. Forgive me for saying, but conducting such pujas, we require money. Without money, it's difficult, and I understand in the world right now, it's a very unstable and very difficult situation. With a heavy heart, I'm requesting this, and I'm begging all of you to understand me. I'm not saying this for any negative reason, but I wish to fundraise at least $250,000 so that this money will be used to cover everything. And not just that, but some people who wish to come, but who cannot make meet ends. I think it's called meet ends, yeah? Cannot pay for transportation or something. That money will be used to help for people who wish to come but cannot pay for the transportation. Now, places to stay is up to everyone. There are many places to stay around that temple and in Bali, many cheap places to stay, many affordable places to stay. So that's up to everyone to pay. That's not up to me, but some transportation I will pay. And when you arrive in Bali and to come to the temple, we will arrange bus and everything. That will be everything taken responsibility by me and my group. So the team work is divided by many people, some from Australia and mainly from Singapore by Ranjung Yishi Odiana members of my late father Rinpoche's disciple. And this is the second major puja I'm doing. I know $250,000 is a lot of money. I want people to understand that I'm not just bezzling money and wasting money. I'm not trying to do business or corruption or play with money or gamble with money. This is solely used for that. Whatever money is left, we will keep it. My team will keep it, and then it will be used for the next puja and next Dharma activity. And we want to also make a little bit of a donation to the Balinese people, Balinese community, to help them. So please, I hope everyone understands the significance of such. I hope you won't be upset by me asking for such money, and I hope you will bear with me in this matter. And please understand, whatever money is offered, we will carefully conduct and use it properly. Everything will be transparent so that everyone feels like whatever the money they have offered, it is not used for personal matters. Everything is used for Dharma matters. Also, I wish everyone to understand that it is a greatly significance for such Dharma, major Dharma pujas to be conducted, not just for personal means. I'm not doing this for my personal gain or fame or whatever, or success. I'm doing it for all of you, and I hope you will understand me. And again, I say this, forgive me. But I am also desperate, so that's why I'm begging you all to understand and support. in whatever way possible, please. We still have some time, so people can think about it. I know everyone may ask, if I want to make an offering, where should I send the money to? Yes, that's a very important question. I will arrange a account for this, a special account just for the donations to be used for the the puja in the temple in Bali, Pura Pegulingan. I will inform this to all of you very soon. I have to first have a discussion with my team, and I will also give email and contact details of my team, so whoever wishes to make donations can contact them directly, not to me but to them. And please understand, I am a person with accountability and consistency and responsibility. I will never misuse whatever you have offered. Please be assured, and I promise you from the depth of my heart, I am my Father's son, no matter what. I have dignity, principles, and I have values, and most importantly, I have integrity in my heart, always. So please, I hope everyone listens to this carefully and understands, bears with me, appreciates, respects, and supports. Thank you so much.